morning everybody. Now we'll see how to design a simple burglar alarm system using PLC. So this is going to be the outline of the system that we are going to develop. So it is going to have a panel with the system start and system stop buttons. Then we have an alarm. We have an alarm and an alarm stop. And we are going to have a PLC here. And what we are going to design now is, we are going to design a burglar alarm system that will sound an alarm when it detects the motion of a person inside the house, or if it is going to detect a breakage in the window, which indicates a burglar has entered inside the house through a window. So this is the outline of the system which we are going to develop. And I have listed the inputs here. The inputs are going to be start of the entire system and stop for the entire system, I0.0 and I0.1, and motion detector, that is if a person has entered inside, that is a burglar has entered inside, you are going to get a signal from I0.2, window sensor for I0.3, alarm stop button at I0.4, and outputs are going to be alarm, master coil and alarm on condition. Okay, now first let me explain the system. What we are going to do is, we are going to assume a system where if a thief has entered inside the house, the motion detector will detect the movement of the thief. So it will give an output which we will consider it as true. Or if a thief is going to enter inside the house through a window, the window sensor will give an output which we will consider as true. And if any of these conditions is going to happen, that is if a person is detected inside the house, or if a person is going to enter inside the house through the window, if either of these conditions happen, an alarm should ring. So we are going to design a PLC for that. Okay, so this burglar alarm system should be activated when we are going to leave the house. So this is the PLC system or a PLC ladder logic system developed for this. So we are going to have a system start, that is when we are there inside the house, we are not going to start the system. When we are going to leave the house, we are going to start the system. So as we all know, this is normally open symbol and this is normally closed symbol, and this is used for representing any outputs. Okay, so normally open, normally close. Okay, so we have used only these symbols for developing this PLC ladder logic. So we have the system start, which we are going to start the burglar alarm system. So system start, when we give a system start symbol, okay, or when we enable this signal system start, this normally open is going to get closed. So if it is going to get closed, the system on, this output is going to be energized. What we have done here is, we have latched it with the input. So we can have the system start as a push button also. So when we enable the system start, the system on is going to be activated and our entire system is going to be activated. We can see that the system on is also present here and here, which means this rung and which means the second rung and the third rung also gets activated. Okay, so now the system is on. Now let us assume a burglar has entered inside, which means a motion sensor will give us an output. Or if a burglar is entering inside through a window sensor, this window sensor will give an output which will make it to true condition. Okay, so we have put this in parallel. Why have we put this in parallel? Is for either of these conditions, our alarm should be on. So we have put motion sensor and window sensor in parallel. Okay, so now let me come again. So we are pressing the push button. Our system has started. System on. This is activated. So this is given to the input, which means we are latching it to the system start. Okay, now the system is on. So here also this rung also this system is on, and this rung also this system is on. So now our system is ready. Our system is ready. Now let us assume a burglar is entering inside. Okay, so either the motion sensor or window sensor is going to give the output. For either of these true conditions, this alarm is going to be activated. Alarm on condition, this is going to be activated. When this alarm on condition is activated, now please look at this rung. What do we have in this rung? We have alarm on condition. Okay, alarm stop button and alarm on. The alarm on is latched back again to the alarm on condition. Okay. Okay, so now when the alarm on condition is triggered, this rung is going to get supplied and this line is going to be activated and the alarm is going to start ringing. Okay, when the alarm is going to start ringing, it is also again latched back again. So why do we have it here is because it shouldn't stop the alarm once this motion sensor or this window sensor stops giving the output. So it should stop the alarm only when we press the stop button. So it will keep on ringing the alarm since we have latched it here. Okay, and the alarm is going to stop only when we are going to give the alarm stop button. So we have designed a very simple burglar alarm system using a normally open, normally closed and an output. Using this alone we have designed a PLC burglar alarm system. Thank you.